Hey guys, this is Sophia from One Arizona Garden. This right here, this is a loofah, and this is also a loofah. This right here is a super dry fruit that is used to make sponge or sponges, bath scrubs, um, and all those nice jazz. When the fruits are this young, and this young, you can actually eat them. I like to use these guys in my stir fry. The sponge like texture really soaks up the flavor. If eating stuff that you've never heard of or not comfortable with, it's okay. Go ahead and let it super ripen up like this or dry out and use it as a bath sponge or whatever you want to use it for.